Masatla mahle siyanivusela kakhulu namhla sinenhlanhla lenkulu. We have the privilege and honor to sit with our Prime Minister, His Excellency Babe Russell Mmiso Dlamini. Sawubona Nkosi.
Yebo kakhulu siyavusela Mhlo.
Siyabonga Dlamini ngine namhla sitholele lithuba a very rare opportunity yokuhlala nawe sesike sicoce nawe. Lesilo kusijabulisa ukuthi sikumitha uyaqala umnyaka sekuqaliwe kuyasebenzwa seyivulile iParliament sekuvele kuyasheshwa Nkosi sifuna nje kuqala ngalo ukuthi kuthiwani just a few days ago uhleti neteam yakho icabinet kwaba nabo cabinet retreat nabuka silivel ngabheka phi this year, so sikuphi nje nyalo Prime Minister, how do you feel about that? Uyaqala umnyaka 2026.
Liqiniso lithi I have mixed feelings.
Mixed feelings?
Yes, mixed feelings ukuthi sikuphi nje nyalo.
Okay.
Mixed feelings ngokuthi silive la kangwane siyathi ukuthi kufanele ukuthi sendeni. Inkosi isinikile vision. Empeleni le vision nembono inkosi umswati wesithathu le nike uhulumende. Hayi nje lo khona nyalo kuphela. Nalabanye bohulumende laba bekhona. It's the best vision that any leader can give for the country. Wekuthi we must reach first world status. Ngoba na ubuka ukuthi yini the first world status. Ubuka ukuthi economically we are sustainable, ubuka e-health, ubuka of course ubuka economy, ubuka e-health, ubuka education, ubuka welfare, you know, ubuka infrastructural development. So basically inkosi nayithi asambe siyofika la sende njani. Nansi ke nema mixed feelings. Ndo ukuthi sine vision lenhle, sinema plans lamahle, kodwa siyehluleka kwa implement. So ke i retreat ema presentations lamanye ndakhona lendiwe abesi asitshengisile ukuthi we must focus on execution, on delivery, how to deliver that. So kuze sikhona kwenda njalo focus ku delivery, funa sikhone ku monitor, funa sikhone to hold people accountable ukuthi bantu bayakwenda into lokufanele bakwende, bayati inkona ukuthi kufanele sibenda. So ngiko lo ngithi ke nema mixed feelings, but I have a great hope wekuthi uma senda lokho lesithite sitakwenda awu livela kangwane masinyane khala kaqa ku vision yayo inkonyama.
Prime Minister, you always like to use emagama lathi we must not be scared to dream, especially when you make reference to the grand plan. Obviously masati yawati ke uye uthi introduce info bathi uyatiputsela nje mfana Dlamini. With the grand plan you said singasabi to dream, but when you look at our budget speech, some of lama plans lala kule grand plan atsinga imali kakhulu because njengayo yonke nje iplan letawenda live phakame economically vele kudzingeka le mali engabe uhlala phasi neteam yakho yase cabinet nibona ukuthi sitawuphumelela yini. I'll make an example. One of the important things letiku Grand Plan and the POA is the Sovereign Wealth Fund, the creation of it. Mangithi ngibuka budget for this the next financial year, ngibona kuthiwa ngasitawu kosime kancane kusafuneka legislation kanti besithi info letako fast ngoba siyayibona silivitalo sita kanjani. But I'm sure akhona nalamanye futhi lama projects lobona ukuthi ngenteka adelayiswe imali. Uthi ngathini ngaloko Nkosi?
Thank you. Angicale lapha ku ambition. Yeah, grand plan. You can tell when you speak about ambition I light up.
Okay.
Kweqala nje le vision lethi asibe i-first world is very ambitious. Lokusho ukuthi inkosi yeluhlanga i-ambitious. That is what excites me. Kweqala lokho ukuthi we are following after a leader who is ambitious.
Yes.
You know. Kule speech sengwenyama ke kule parliament ikhulume ngokuthi ibuke emuva ku-40 years isesihlalweni yasesethi ngifuna sente kakhulu kenyalo kangcono kunalo sikwendile. Yaphindze yabeka i-target le-ambitious. I-grand plan is aligned ncamashi kulokufuna ingwenyama. Empeleni, i-grand plan is the best translation of the King's vision. Ngisengayiboni lenye i-document le operationalizer ukuthi sitawufika kanjani lela ingwenyama ithi asifike khona. I-grand plan yenda lo. Ithi i-grand plan kuze sifinyelele le ekubeni live lelithuthukile sidinga ukuthi sakhe imali lenyenti efeni. Sidinga ukuthi umnotho welive ukhula kanjani kumnotho welive? Okay, ukhula kangakanani? I-grand plan ngeyibukile kwekuthi emave labe njengathi lasheshe afinyelela emaveni athuthukile ende njani akhule kangakanani. Kuyabonakala ukuthi after every 10 years there were 10 years or so abestablisha i-GDP yawo.
Yes.
Vele kufuna sisebenzele kufika kulelo singa leyo ambition ye-grand plan. Now lokunye ke lokushito ukuthi le tinto letfuna i-grand plan tidulile. Kuyabida. Kube nje besende the right things for the past 5 years. For the past 5 years. Nanyalo nasingenda the right things. Njengahulumende singayishaya i-double digit economic growth. Inkinga lesinayo kwekuthi njengoba ngangishite esibayeni kwekuthi sisuke sasebenzisa indlela talamavi lasathuthukile sakhohlwa ukuthi thina sisengafiki kulamavi lathuthukile, which means we are using policies for developed countries not for a developing country, and nako lokusibula lakho silive. And so udula kwetimali i-grand plan iphinzi lethe yona le solution ukuthi how do we mobilize the money? How do we mobilize the money? I-grand plan ayisho ukuthi tonke le tinto na plan of action nayo le ngifuna ukukhuluma program of action ayisho ukuthi yonke le mali ifuna iqhamuke kuhulumende. Imali itawuqhamuka kuma-partners, itawuqhamuka kuma-investors.
Yes.
Iqhamuke nakuhulumende. Hulumende kodwa kufuna ende le environment ibe conducive. Hulumende kufuna akhone kwekuthi lokhu besingakwendi itolo lamhla sesiyakwenda kuze kuthi ama-investors angene efeni. Na ubuka mbamba ubuke eminyakeni lendlulile kubuhlungu kona, kodwa liqiniso ukuthi mancane ama-investors langenile efeni kakhulu phela mancane. But now ubuka investment le yendiwe kuba nema-investment conferences even nangaphandle ubuke all the efforts akafiki ama-investors. Funa utibute ukuthi lele. And some of those answers ngilo ukuthi live la kaNgwane is not attractive kuma-investors. Ngithi lokufanele silende libe attractive. Nathi si attractive Now nasitawusuka nje sithi whatever is na 1.2 million people but as babantu awubantu nabangu 1.2 million kusho ukuthi ema customers mhlawumbe abang half a million labatawuthenga kude bantu lapha ngeke ngithe to invest ketha now tawuthi investor buya to investor evenda kangwane silive lelithulile thine sinako konke lo takudinga futhi sitawenda kwekuthi ube ne-access to more than 300 million people in Southern Africa and 1.4 billion people in Africa. Uyabona umuntu utawuphapha mabuke ngendlela lehlukile ukuthi sinemgwaqo lengiyo sithudane nelwandle. Uyakubona lo?
Yes.
Phinze futhi kubonakala ukuthi siwaphatha njani labantu labafuna to investor even. Lokunye lengihlale ngikhuluma akusikusha lo ngikhuluma ngako sihlale sikhuluma ngako solo ngangena cabinet. Ngiyaphinza kanyenti. Wekuthi let's roll a red carpet for investors. Rolling a red carpet ngokuthi asibaphathise kweliqanza. Ngiyengibekise ngana Coca-Cola Conco. Wekuthi Conco kade efike eSwatini.
Yes.
Kube hulumende wangaleso sikhathi. Akarolanga red carpet Conco abengeke ahlale even. Abekhona lamanye amave lamathathu nawo lafuna eConco but eSwatini they went all out. Let's do that now. It worked. It can still work today. The strategy let's 70 for the last 20 years has not given us the results that we want. Let's have a new strategy.
Wow. I think I like that. And I'm learning something, His Excellency. You know, I think now in life in general, I like Logutyang encourage good thing ambition. So I like that. Now, Prime Minister, wena nahulumende kulesikhathi sanyalo kunanaku ingwenyama lenithume kone yathi konke lenikusebenzako nikwende ngankwe. And I think uyakusho cishe sonke isikhathi mawubikela leave ngekusebenza kwahulumende. But ngiyafisa kwathi ukuthi kulo over 2 years in office ngekubuka kwakho wena necabinet yakho longwena yini. I like the smile. He's coming with a good answer, I'm sure.
Don't be mina ngithanda kubuka ema results.
Yes.
Ema results ngawo la ngasitshela ukuthi ukhona yini noma kude lonkwe. Kepha ke na ufuna ngiphendule directly ngathi ukhona nkwe. Kepha lama outcomes yabona asengafiki esigabeni lesinginetisa kumini. Embeleni ngimuntu lo I admire His Majesty a lot. Kakhulu phela. Ngoba ngikhansekwe ukuthi donke lethinto lokufanele etendeke. Usithumile ukuthi stand. Indzaba ikuhulumende. Wekuthi sideliver lokunye ngiko lokukhama lonkwe. We have entangled ourselves with a lot of with too much regulation. Kahulumende nje waqala wakhuluma ukuthi ufuna kwendeke lokho. Ungaqala tawubuka ukuthi esikhundleni kubuka ukuthi ngusita njani ukuze kuthi udeliver kutawubuka ukuthi ukwendile yini lokho ungakwendi lokho. But actually the mindset should be, how do I help you to deliver this fast? Hayi ukuthi ukwendile yini lokho noma ungakwendi lokho. That's a big mindset shift lekufanele yendeke. Hayi ukuthi akasimqoke ama-policies ne-regulation imqoka. But it is not the ultimate goal. It is not. So kufanele sisuse lo mqondo ukuthi lokumqoka regulation, the compliance, none. No, that is put in place to ensure that we deliver the right product to the people. But within government is the other way around. It's like what is important is the regulation, is the policy, not the delivery. I hope you understand what I mean.
I do, Nkosi.
One of the things le validin for ukuthi deliver kuhulumende ndo ukuthi ubudgetile, na ubudgetile uthi imali utayisebenzisa nesikhathi lesithide ngenxa yema systems ahulumende imali yawufika mhlambe 3 months sho ukuthi April, May, June ngikhani yangena le mali nayifika le mali ngikhani swatha uqala i-procurement ngikhani swatha uqala kwenda ama-procurement processes akuthathe lo mnye 3 months lawo ma-procurement processes. So April, May, June, July, August, September ngikhani uqala ukuthi songahlala kusebenza nakufika December ya revise i-finance ukuthi le mali ngeke usayisebenzisa inkulu kakhulu bayithathe mhlambe bafuna kuyi-reallocate. Uyabona mos. So this is an embedded system nje lestikhuka ngayo ngithi singihulumende lokufanele siyichange ngithi singihulumende sifuna ishintshe hulumende ke udecide nasingene office ukuthi let's review the procurement system in the country, which is the policy and the legislation. Kungilamuhle. Solo sikhuluma ukuthi akureview lokho. So la gacetho. Lene kule system yahulumende. Nansi system kulomthambo. Into ihamba kancane. Ngalokuthi lokhu lesikhuluma ngako le system yendeke isikhathi lesithi iminyaka lemithi so nokushintsha ngeke kube overnight kuthatha isikhathi lesithi.
Prime Minister mawufika e-office wakhombisa i-commitment kusita live lilwe naleli demon lebathi corruption. Mangikhumbula kahle nje you went to an extent of ngekusebenzisana nalamanye ama-departments nabo Ministry of Justice ukuthi asekuboniswane kubekwe bamfula bathide labangasita babe i-task team nasebenzisana ke ningihulumende akubekanga wena kwabeka uhulumende sina i-task team lengasita silo kungaba kubuta nje Nkosi ukuthi task team yethu engabe siyawathola inema results la positive nekuthi ke baye bathi ngesilungu imboza lehlakaniphile they change their mind uma ngabe futhi sekukhona ke lokunye losuthi de hayi maybe the task team yodwa is not enough asesiphinde sende nawo just to know nje Prime Minister ukuthi sikuphi in as far as fighting corruption is concerned.
Thank you. Corruption yanzena lo lonke live. Yanzena lo lonke live. Nge-retreat nje besikhuluma sidiscussa indaba yo corruption. Sathina sibuka le definition yale corruption. Wakhanzakala ukuthi ikhona nala cabinet le corruption. I-corruption ikhona nase parliament. I-corruption ikhona na judicial.
Awukasho ku-media mos Prime Minister.
Awigcwele i-corruption ayidzingi ukuthi ize ibe institutionalized ikubantu. Ngithi nje ikhona kuto tonke lendzawo ngoba tonke lendzawo tinebantu labasebenza khona. So bantu labathatha le corruption bangene nayo ku-cabinet, bangene nayo parliament, bangene nayo judiciary. So ikhona yonke lendzawo le corruption. Ngenhlanhla ke lebuhlungu akukakhonakali kuze kube ngulamuhla. Kupanisha labantu lababonakale ba corrupt. Umphathi weSingapore nayiqala iSingapore yenda strategy sokwakha lelive libe ngilokuleli ngikona namhlanje. Ningamgooglisha nani. Nakakhuluma ukuthi benda njani kuze ukuthi lelive lithuthuke fast. Uthi they had no tolerance for corruption. Nangabe kunemuntu lo emagunyeni lathide bebavele baqale ngaye babophe yena. Kuze ukuthi kwendeke isibonelo ngalaba nephasi kwabo. Nako lesikudinga befeni. Sisengakhonike nasenda le task team. Sasendela ukuthi sizame ukuthi kuthathe inyathelo lo. Kepha ke nakhona lapho solo iyasebenza. Solo kusepipini. Solo kuphumele ngesheya. Uyabona ke ukuthi kukhona lokungahambi kahle. Kukhona lokungahambi kahle ngoba kufanele nyalo. Ukuthi ngabe akhona emacala latekiwe bakhona abantu lababoshiwe.
Okay. Thank you, Prime Minister. At this point, bengifiseke sidiscusse.
Nasike bamba kancane. Uthiteke lomunye uthiteke umuntu uyayishintsha ingoma. Sineke sikashintsha ingoma. Simile kwekuthi we will deal with corruption. Akunenzaba ukuthi iqhamuka abantu. Konke lesinako ngawo onke amandla lesinako ngoba ngiyo lebuyisela nalebambalela live la kaNkhwana. Sibe nawo ama strategies la khona sidizamile indlela letinye sinatho futhi letinsha lesitaqhubeka sitizame ukuthi kuze ukuthi eventually tigange tiphumele ebaleni. Letinye tato tiphumile emhlanganweni we-cabinet retreat ngeke ngisho nyalo kodwa sita implement.
Thank you Nkosi. At this point I think ngifuna sikhulume ngema issues nje la ngathi dikhalo letiqhamuke siveni ngoba vele bakhala kuhulumende. Nami nalobuke uhulumende sale nami ngibabutela. Upon your return from Ethiopia, wathembisa sive ukuthi cha kukhona lo tawubuya ubabikele kona emva kokuba discover ukuthi bakhalile kunyuka kwagesi. I'm sure solo bagadzile. Secondly, kutotona leta gesi ezike bakhuluma ke bamva ukuthi maybe asende nje noma bathi ukuthi uhulumende akhona lama plans la nawo ukuthi masingazama naku onke maswati in terms of energy kungaba sustainable, but kunalabo evangathi asende naku sikope lapha. There's this narrative yokuthi what if we privatize this EEC? Kuyavela nje ezikuba nalama debates. I would like to know, firstly, has government taken a decision on the proposed electricity tariffs hike set for April 1? And 2, yini hulumende la kucabanga ukuthi angakwenda kusita le EEC? Because His Majesty the King uyikhiphile directive ukuthi asekuboniswane EEC na hulumende ukuthi ngabe kungasitana kanjani.
statement isitawuphuma nga-Tuesday. Sitasikhokha statement nga-Tuesday. Kukhona nje lekuselelo okuncane okufanele ukuthi i-cabinet ibonisane kubo. Bese sesiyasikhokha statement. Sesicishe nje sesi-ready. Ngagcina lapho ngale statement. Kejwa ngendzaba yokuprivatize kwa-EEC. Mina nje nemqondo wami angiyoze ngiwusekele lo mqondo lo. Sizathu ukuthi bakuzamile kukwenda eSouth Africa.
Yes.
Kwabanga inkinga. Na ubuka emave lenta kahle kakhulu kuleti ndzaba tentengo yagesi. Ngemave lapho khona live line stake lokusho ukuthi linesandla eku-generating electricity nase-controlling intengo yakhe. Singawabala abe manyenti. Kepha nje nawe nje ungatibukela ukuthi kungaze kuthiwe nje kuya-privatize intengo yenyuka. So kunetinto lokufanele sihlale kuhulumende. Uhulumende lokufanele akwende ukuthi alethe efficiency. Ngoba ufuna sikwazi ukuthi le ndzaba yenkinga yagesi ayiveli nyalo. Kade yaqala. We must have the right people in leadership. Kuleti kampani. Ngoba nje na uvakathe kuthiwa kwagesi abesishiphela thina kakhulu kunothi singakha stage. Labo bantu labo bekufanele babuke phela ukuthi i-sovereignty ke uyabona. Bekufanele babuke ukuthi i-sovereignty ke yini singasakhi kancane le stage. Kunokuthi nje sitshele ukuthi sesiyodependa eveni lamakhelwane. Mhlalo makhelwane akhwehlela noma kumshodela naye siyawushona phi thina siyawuthini ngase sikhona khona ke manje. Akusiyinkinga lefika nyalo, inkinga lenzala. Sineke singihulumende lokhona nyalo. Sesente taba ukuthi kushaya 2030 njengoba ingonyama isithumile live litaweni agesi lowanele.
Wow. Thank you for the good news, Prime Minister. Also, njengoba ngishito kusidinenge thinking at eMaswati bakhala left right and center. Kune issue ngala ka education sector. Kunesikhalo sekuthi hulumende weNgwenyama wake wasibonela ukuthi akube na free primary education. But ezihamba iminyaka sekunalokuthi bathi labamfana angabamema hulumende from grade 1 to standard 5. Sekude ke lo tawulekelela ke labatali mase bangena ku form 1 which is secondary. So sekunalokuthi ke engabe hulumende angete yini sekasizame phela ukuthi lo free education ufike nala secondary. Then also currently kunema issues in the same sector. Kune issue ya grade 0. Itsikele question ngoba sina free primary education. Grade 0 ungakuphi ke yena. Yes. Kunaloko nje and then kunesikhalo ukuthi yebo kona yinhle lemfungo samhulumende lazama ngayo but in terms of lokuyi implementa yini ngathi sitatele sesicashe enough teachers yini. Even the learning material sesinaloku enough yini. So kunalawo ma questions nema concerns from eMaswati.
Ngeke ngiyabonga kakhulu ngeke ngiphosise ukuthi universal education lokusho ukuthi bonke bantu bafinyelele esikolweni. Umgomo lomuhle livele kufanele ukuthi liwulanzelele wena. Lokusho ukuthi noma uka grade 0 noma use primary uhamba uzofika university as long as ukhona. Ngicabanga ukuthi uhulumende sokhombisile ukuthi unayo i-political will to do that. indzaba isekutheni one silungele yini thina lesiye esikolweni eminyakeni leminyenti leyengcile sifundisa abadala bebasibhadalele esikoleni. Mina nje wambabe abe nesicathulo sinye ngoba imali abe seva ukuthi siye esikolweni wasibhadalela esikolweni. Lamhla cishe sonke saqedza high school, labanye bethu bangena ku-tertiary ngenxa yemfundo siyakhona sitimele. So kutransforma kuguqula impilo yemuntu, i-education imqoka kakhulu and uhulumende kufuna vele ayinakisise. Kepha live la kaNgwane belistar ku-education, bekusuka abantu kulamanye emave nasevini lesikhwahlande abantu ofundza la kaNgwane. Nesikhathi sisadibhadalela kodwa sinelela ku-introducer i-free primary education kwase kuyaqala kuyasilimalela. Nyalo kucomplain abadali, kucomplain abothishela. Ngajabula ngalelanga nangahamba niyobuta abothishela. Ba-interviewe nje kungathiwa kusho mina. Ba-interviewe nje abothishela labahlukene. But awungitshela ukuthi siva ngathi standard noma equality education iyehla. Sithi-ke singihulumende ake sifunze ukuthi kwendekeni la free primary education lele bese iphatamisa le quality yale education. Ngabe kubethi inombolo, ngabe kube imali ukuthi mhlambe inombolo sekunyenti kakhulu eklasini kuthishela munye. Ngabe kube imali ukuthi mhlambe uhulumende akakhoni ukhokha tithako letanele tekufundzisa. Yini lele yendekwe ukuthi bese sekubonakala le record yokuthi eSwatini education kahle. Lokunye ngabe kwentiwe i-abolishment ye-discipline esikolweni. Ngema-questions okufanele sitibute wona la. Ngoba simandla nawe uyakubothishela labanye nyalo batakutshela ukuthi abathi nokwekuthi nakwendeka lokho nakubhanishwa nje ukuthi udiscipline abantwana esikolweni abanikwanga the alternative yokuthi nasuyekela usebenzisa le ndlela le yokudiscipline usebenzisa le uyabona kwavele kwemiswa yinye nje kwase kuba ngithela wayeka. Ill discipline in some schools is a different level. ESwatini kuphela nale kutinye etikolo nekunelive nje lengeke ngilisho la bantwana khona ungithishela kude lo ngakwenda nakusakutselela uyamangala nje. Sekuba i-crisis legcina ingene even lonke kodwa iqale kuphi na esikolweni. Mina ke bengidawuthi singa introduce noma ngangiliphi lishintsho lofuna si introduce asibe neplan le comprehensive lesho ukuthi lokhu sidakwenda kanjani, lokhu sidakwenda kanjani, lokhu sidakwenda kanjani. Singabi emotional about it. Grade 0 kulomnyaka lophelile angathi kahle nyalo ngisengakubona kodwa kulomnyaka lophelile bathi nabapresenter basho ukuthi basethe nale curriculum yalo grade 0. Uyabo? So ke kwazi ke uhulumende bahambe masinyane balungise le curriculum. Uyabona mos. Utameintroduce kanjani usethe naloko ukuthi utamfundisa kanjani. Uyabona? Lokunye kunebantwana grade 0 bantwana labancane. Normally uyathi ukuthi bantwana labancane bebaya esikoleni letithutane nelikhaya. But awukhona kuhamba bafike baphindze babuye. Mhlawumbe balanzwe nabadala. What is the plan? Nambe grade 0 sesimfaka kuletikolo letinkulu. Lokhu sikuthini sihlele kuthini tinyenti letinto lokufanele ukuthi singendi diphosiso lesatenda nasi introduce a free primary education. Kwagcina kulombuto lobutile. Vele singemaswati kunasifunze ukuthi tinto sibuke singabe emotional. Give planners umsebenzi wabo baplane kahle, bahlele kahle. Bese ke uhulumende soya adopta uya approve. Sinayo yini imali? Njengoba nje tinkulumo tithi vele kufuna kube i-education ibe free. Mancane mavela nemali yokubhadala kusukela primary uyofika tertiary. Sinela kangwane siyabhadala tertiary. Asibhadale high school kuphela.
Yes.
Lamanye mava abhadale primary nase high school akabhadale tertiary. Sithi awukhona yini ukuthi sale kuba free konke uhulumende abhadala konke. Nangabe vele sifuna lokho. Kumthatha angabhadale primary, angabhadale high school, angabhadale tertiary. Sithi ayithatha phi le mali. Umsebenzi wahulumende ke lo. Kuthi nase bathi bantu bafuna lokho nalokho sengumsebenzi wahulumende ukuthi abone ke ukuthi uhulumende uyithatha phi imali. Lokusho ukuthi ke ufuna kukhula i-tax. Education. So kuze ukuthi uhulumende akhone uhlangabezana netidzingo. The free primary education, free secondary and free tertiary. Kude kwamahala. Kude kwamahala.
Prime Minister, simaswati cishe solo wathatha lesikhundla kunemvo lokho usikhumbute yona usiyale ngayo. Yekuzama ngato tonke indlela to protect the image of the country. Uyeke us-advise ukuthi asilwe nanakule kuthiwa misinformation. Ngekubuka kwakho Nkosi siyawina yini kuleyo leyo?
We are on the right path. Shothi siyakhona sisengawini. Sisengawini kodwa siyakhona. Sitenangena e-office. Kwaba nenkumbi yetinto letibhalako letingasilo liqiniso. Abhalwa nje kwendiwe show ukuthi li-office laNdlunankulu liyoniwa. Ngiyabona ukuthi ke wehluleka lo moya lo. So ngiyabona ukuthi sekuncane lokungasilo liqiniso lokubhalwa. Kusekhona ukuthi kujijelwe liqiniso labe seliyajikiswa. Noma lijijelwe bese lilakanyaniswa ngetinto letingasilo liqiniso. Kodwa ngiyabona lokuthi cha kukhona kukhanya impilo. Sithi ngoba le misinformation. Lokufanele sikwati ukuthi thina singemaswati asingagijimeli lokubi, asigijimele lokuhle. Misinformation sithi ngoba kungako nje sine strategy lesisha se communication lesendiwe ngilolibandla lala ngiyi department ya communication ya hulumende lethi kufuna siphume kakhulu vele sikhokhe le information ngiko nje nawo ulala mntana utothola lamaqiniso.
I'm lucky.
So sisendleleni siyakhona and akusho ukuthi lamanye amave aspenda tinsamba tetimali kulenye live nje lilodwana live nje linye lilodwana ngiyathi ukuthi linebantu labangentuli kwa 5,000 labahleti babuka konke lokupublishwako ephepheni noma ku-internet lokungasilo liqiniso bakuphikise bakulungise bakugucule bakulungise baprovide information lengi sineke siteke leyo mali leyo kepha yokuba nebantu labanyenti kangaka kepha ke sidakwenda lokusemandleni ethu.
Okay. Prime Minister, ma kuvala le retreat masicetha nje songa. We saw you do something very beautiful. You led the cabinet team in song. And those who were watching that, because lama video sabe siyawafaka nathi be media. But ngiyo le acapella vlen. But the question ihle ibivuka lokuthi, can you confidently tell the nation ukuthi there's unity la cabinet yakho? Lolo iholako.
Acapella. Yeah, acapella yang jabulisa ngoba ungumuntu ukhuluma ngayo. Nase parliament ngivile nje bakhuluma ngayo acapella. Kokuthi it is unconditional love. But akusilula to love somebody unconditionally. uNkulunkulu lo sithandze unconditionally. Uye kodwa ke le intention to love is there. The intention to love is there. So the intention to love is there. But ke sekusho ukuthi umbutho sokungathi tinyathelo tiyathatheka yini letalo luthando. Ngeke futhi kube yinto leyenteka overnight. God, but the intention to love is there. Kwekugcina nje kulenza lokuthi uNkulunkulu uyasithanda ngoluthando olukhulu. Kepha kusho ukuthi akasishayi. Nawufunza ngicabanga ukuthi incwadi ya James. Kwakuthi those whom the Father loves, he chastises. That's agape love. Lokusho ukuthi akusho ukuthi agape love sekutaba bede ukuthi na ungendi kahle uthole le reward yalo lokwendile cha na ungendi kahle nje utaqhubeka uthole reward yokuthi akwende but hayi ukuthi ngoba awuthanda uyathanda but kufuna there are consequences for everything that you do. Lenye yale tinto lokufanele sitende ukuthi si-improve kuphatha kahle bosomabhizinisi. Ngona le list yama requirements lokhanza ukuthi they are really cumbersome to get. Uyabo kusho ukuthi ke kufuna ukuthi na ngabe uregister inkampani siyathi ukuthi kune uregister inkampani nje kunetinto losuvela unato uyangiva mos shothi angibona ukuthi ungayiregister inkampani ungayisebenzisa i-ID yakho angibona ukuthi ngiyabekisa nje ngale ID uyabona ne residential address yakho nema contact details akho so kuthi ke nase kufuneka ukuthi sofuna kuyonda ibusiness na humene sekuphinda kuthingeke tonga letinto lesati ukuthi nasu uthole lokhu ukhulumende ukuthi kusho ukuthi konke lokunye kukhona. Uyabona Musa?
Yes.
Ufuna-ke ukuthi uhulumende leti ngoni letinye tahulumende tisebenzisana ukuthi tithembane. I-tax compliance bekunene uhulumende imali yakhe ithola nge-tax. Kumqoka ukuthi wonke umuntu abe compliant to tax. Wonke abe compliant to tax. Le siye sigcizelele ukuthi abakwende kungabi likhuni lokucomplya. Abakwende kungabi likhuni. Kwadiwe nje kube sekubaleni ukuthi kuze kube tax compliance ufuna ukwente nakho nanakho. Hayi ukuthi ufuna kuba tax compliant baphinde bakwehlise bakuyise etulu phasi naphezulu. Ngoba na businessman usemsebenzini wekwenta imali wekurunch business yakho. Kungadingeka ukuthi kudaze kuphele 2 days 3 days solo wena uprocessa tindlu takho te-tax. Akube kahle akube lula. Lokunye lokumqoka nge-tax compliance ukuthi kuze uthole leyo certificate akungadingakali ukuthi ungisomabhizinisi lomncane kudingeka ukuthi uyoqasha accountant, uyoqasha umuntu lomunye kuze ukuthi you meet my requirements of the tax code or whatever. No, we don't want to go there.
Ngosi last year makuphela i-retreat yakhona wasinika sive i-feedback on the proposed plan to ukuthi kwendiwe i-convention yelamvungeni lethu. Cishe siyathi sonke kusithinta sibanengi nanami kuyangithinta nginabo bozukana laphayana. Mane this year bekubhekekile lokuthi kumbe sitawuthola ke i-feedback ukuthi where are we now with the process, simephi. Angathi noma mvunankulu bese kuyakhohlakala noma khona labakudilithile.
No, indzaba ye-conversion ye-ENPF iyaqhubeka isePhalamende. So ukuthi nje ke iPhalamende bese iyavala. But bekuthinga ukuthi le ndzaba le ikhulunyiswe kabantu. Ngiyakholwa ukuthi itabang letinye umthetho longena kwePhalamende. Sokudake ukuthi iPhalamende ithini but umthetho lo wekuthi wonke umuntu losebentile asesenemandla kube khona la kubekele eceleni kube khona la kutholako as i-pension. Kusede umuntu lengeke ngeva athi awulungi lo mthetho. Angeke ubasite abantu lo mthetho. Ngibavile bebathi lo mthetho kungendeka thina nesime kahle usimise kabi. Uyakuva Muslo?
Yes, Nkosi.
Hayi ukuthi awuthingeki. Hayi ukuthi amaswati akawuthingi. Nawutibuka wena uthi hayi mina ngime kahle mina ungabi khona lo mthetho ngoba utabe sungimisa kabi. That is the posture lebeyikhona. Kepha ke ngivile ukuthi emva kokuba ngisengaphelele ngoba isatayo ya house full house ngivile ukuthi ke na discusswa lamanye malunga bethi ngiboni mina ukuthi lo mthetho inkinga yawo yini. So siyakholwa ukuthi nakhona lokungalungi atakulungisa ungena umthetho uphasa ngoba lokhu talisida lefilangwana kakhulu. So isendleleni iyeda asikayiyekeli isendleleni iyeda sesingakhuthata nje lona liphephandzaba nemedia nje houses onke ukuthi akayipromote le ENPF conversion to pension because clearly it is best for the ordinary this one.
Hayi siyakuva Nkosi sitakubambisa. Nkosi, one last question for you. kuhle kuvuka lomunye umoya nje lothi i-executive ngasihle iba nekunyathanya le legislature. Iphindze yavuka ke kulamalanga, but that's not surprising. Bekumalanga ekudiscuss abo budget nako konke. Makudiscuss imisebenzi lemkhulu bese sekuvuka neku-accusana lapha nalapha.
I-executive yayihlonipha kakhulu iParliament. Inkumbi yemsebenzi nakungasiwo wonke umsebenzi letentela wona. I-executive, iParliament. Executive ayinasandla, ayinamlomo. I-executive umthetho unika imandla lathide yokufanele wende. Le accusation yokuthi kune interference bengisengayiboni substance yayo, frankly. But lokhu bekukhulunywa ngicabanga ukuthi kustemishe from i-budget.
Kunjani Nkosi?
Kwenti budget. Kuplana kwenti budget umsebenzi we-executive. Umsebenzi we-parliament ku-reviewa neku-approva ne-oversight. Kude ke interference la ibe khona. Lokhu fanele siku-improve, lokhu fanele yenza ba-interference ayikho. Safuna kuyibona ukuthi kuphi. Kuthi ngwenyama vele ngiyithulela sigqoko mina. Nema-relationships lesewakhile emhlabeni wonke jikelele. Emhlabeni wonke jikelele. Ngokuthi iyawahlonipha lamanye amave, iyawahlonipha lamanye ama-head of states. Bese eTurkmenistan kuyo bayingcenye yelidzili lapho khona iTurkmenistan beyimeme ngwenyama ngoba si-member ye-non-aligned state, non-alignment movement. Sho ukuthi emave langanibanzakanyi nje nemsindvo sithandza kuthula nje siphiselana nabo bonke abantu. Yabo. Kuleyo mhlangano loyo sasikhuluma nje nge-non-alignment, sikhuluma ngekuthula, sikhuluma ngokuthi asitimbanzakanyi nemsindvo. Bekulive lakangwane kuphela lelichamuke e-Afrika. Onke amanye abemhlophe kwaba ngindlunankulu welive laseSwatini lo amele ingwenyama. Lebe bayibheke nayo ngemehlo labovu kuthi ide manje wekunene wangasaphumeleli ngoba bese nemsebenzi lomkhulu welive. Udlelwano lesinabo nemandla nemave emhlaba bakhiwe ingwenyama ngokuthi he is careful. Ngalenye ilanga uyangibuta lesengufundile kuyo inkosi yelive. Ngiyanixoxela niyokubamba wangephasi.
We can't wait, Nkosi. We can't wait. Nkosi Sitiva sibuseke kakhulu namuhla to get such an opportunity yokuxoxa nawe. At this point, njenga Prime Minister welive uma ngabe kukhona lofisa kusha eMaswatini, ngicela ukukunika leli thuba. Anything you want to say to eMaswati, I'm sure but enjoy nje kuva kukhuluma Prime Minister.
Ngiyabonga leli thuba. Ngathanda nje ukuthi ngikhuthathe sive seMaswati ukuthi kuko konke la ngihambe khona nala ngisebenze khona live leKaNgwane line potential enkulu ukuthi lifinyelele kulesigaba lapho inkosi ifuna sifinyelele khona ukuthi sesithuthukile sonke even sesihlala kahle ku possible. Nasibuka ke emave la safinyelele la safuna kuyofinyelela khona ende tintfo ngendlela lehlukene kunalendlela lesenta ngayo tintfo laKaNgwane. So lokuguqulwa kwengqondo nekuguqulwa kwendlela lesisebenta ngayo kumqoka kakhulu. So now uLiswati usebenta noma usenkampanini noma usekuhulumende tibude uma uvimba tinguquko noma lishintsho kwekuthi ingaba ngivalini intuthuko kungaze kufike emcondzweni kuwe nakulabanye abantu kwekuthi thina itolo besenta kanje noma lokhu kwente kanje tibude ukuthi ingabe lokhu kwala kuguquka akuvaleli yini intuthuko. Ukuguqulwa kwemiqondo yethu nendlela esicabanga ngayo kumqoka kakhulu kwekuthi live lithuthuke. Angigcine nje ngokuthi ngivele nje ngisikhuthathe ngisicele sive ukuthi asibambane sisekele uhulumende emsebentini wekuthuthukisa live. Siyabonga.
Thank you Nkosi, thank you so much. Siyabonga kakhulu. uNkulunkulu akubusise nawe saqhubeka usebenzela live laseSwatini. Thank you so much. May God bless you.
Thank you very much.